Welcome to the Know Yourself channel, and welcome to the first of many lessons on astrology from basic through to more advanced. These videos will all be short as possible and split up into different step-by-step videos, where only once you have mastered the instructions in the first video will you be able to move on to the next. I find this will help you absorb the information much easier than watching a video that is, for instance, on for an hour or two or even longer, which contains a lot of information that for a lot of people is too much to take in, and they don't learn much because they can't store all the information. So in this video you will learn the very basic thing you need to know and master before you can learn astrology. Just like before you learn to read and write, you need to have mastered the alphabet. So in astrology it is too. You need to know, memorize all the zodiac signs and symbols in their correct order, until without having to think about it, you can say the order of the zodiac, which is Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. You need to be able to say it in no more than 10 seconds, fast, memorised. If anyone asks you what's the order of zodiac, you should just be able to say it right off. Right, now please, if you don't know what syncretism is, then please research it. I see myself as a syncretist. Syncretism breaks down all divisions. It's what will save us, humanity, from the divide and conquer system that we're all in, that we can all see, that we all want to change. To understand syncretism, you need to know astrology. Syncretism is showing that all things are connected and tell the same story, basically, and all things come from a single source. Astrology and the zodiac are the key to show how all things are related, so it's very important to know. The order of the zodiac is important in this. For example, each zodiac sign represents a different part of the body, Aries being the head, Taurus the neck, Gemini the arms, hands, Cancer the breasts, Leo the heart, Virgo the stomach, Libra the kidneys, Scorpio the genitals, reproductive organs, Sagittarius the hips, thighs, Capricorn the knees, Aquarius the calves, lower leg, Pisces the feet. Also, you have 12 major systems in your body, just like the number of the zodiac, and each sign represents one of the systems. Aries is the cerebral system, which is fitting and explains why Aries will always be first, as everything begins to grow in on your body from the head, the cerebral spinal system. So that's your first lesson in syncretism. As above, so below. The stars, planets clearly help structure everything below them. Then Taurus is the lymphatic system. I can't remember them all, but you can check this for yourself. The body also consists of 12 cell salts. Again, 12, just like the zodiac. Syncretism, once again. Each sign represents a salt. They are Aries being potassium phosphate, Taurus being sodium sulfate, Gemini being potassium chloride, Cancer being calcium fluoride, Leo magnesium phosphate, Virgo potassium sulfate, Libra sodium phosphate, Scorpio calcium sulfate, Sagittarius silica, Capricorn calcium phosphate, Aquarius sodium chloride, Pisces iron phosphate. Everyone's born deficient of 3 salts, and how to tell what salts they are is, say for example you're Aries, you'll be deficient in that salt, potassium phosphate, plus the next two Taurus, Gemini salts. You may also be born deficient in more. There's books out there that you can just look at people's faces and tell which salts are deficient of. So, but naturally you'll be deficient in 3 salts. So 12 salts again. It's syncretism, Right, so Gemini representing the hands and arms, look like Gemini's the twins, there's 2. Cancer, the breast, 2 breasts. You can Libra, the scales, 2, the kidneys. You've got Aquarius, 2, that's the lower legs. Pisces, 2, the feet. You know what I mean? Like Aries, 1 thing, head. The ram, you can see with the head, yeah, ram. Rams button heads, you can, it's all syncretism. This is the key, this is the first step to learning astrology. Even forgetting what else I just told you about syncretism and the cell salts and the body parts, but just knowing the order, everything starts with Aries and goes right through and ends in Pisces. The symbols, right, knowing the symbols, memorize them all. You need to know this like the back of your hand before you can move on. Like, do not move on before you can say all these signs in order without thinking about it. You know each symbol, what sign it represents, like without having to think about it or check. That's key. Also, the colours you see for the name of each sign, red Aries, green Taurus, etc. Right, for example, Aries will feel most comfortable, shall we say, when they are surrounded by red. It's like stimulation for the sign. So red Aries, green Taurus, yellow Gemini, etc, etc. Like having your bedroom or your living room in your house being an area, and if having red in there, like, that's good for you, and so on and so forth. Helpful. So yeah, there's the basics of astrology. The next video, that'll be the planets, their symbols, their qualities, and why they are related, like why they rule a sign. Like Mars rules Aries, Venus rules Taurus. So we'll go through that and why these planets or luminaries, the moon or the sun, rule a certain zodiac sign also. So that'll be basic astrology video number 2. That'll be put up soon when I get a chance. I've had a busy week. Not even be able to put up videos. I wanted to put this up much earlier, but as I said, haven't had a chance until now. Again, if you found the information on this video helpful, interesting, please share, please subscribe. It's much appreciated. Thanks again. See you next time.